Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gadget Grid. Today, we are going to review the AKIRES Oscillating Tower Fan, a portable and bladeless cooling fan that is perfect for your room, home, or bedroom. It features a 30-inch evaporative air cooler swamp cooler with 12-hour timer, 3 speeds, 3 modes, 2 ice packs, remote and panel control, and is ideal for indoor use. So, let's dive in and take a closer look at this amazing product. Features: the AKIRES Oscillating Tower Fan comes with 3 wind speeds, low, mid, high, and 3 modes, normal, natural, sleep, allowing you to customize your comfort according to your needs. The sleep mode provides a gentle and soothing breeze that allows you to sleep comfortably and quietly. The natural mode blows intermittently, and this is a normal phenomenon, so there's no need to worry about it. Moreover, this cooling fan has a 12-hour timer that automatically turns on and off, saving energy and reducing your electricity bill. It also has a 0.8-gallon water tank that can run continuously for 6 to 10 hours, so you don't have to worry about refilling it frequently. Design: the AKIRES Oscillating Tower Fan is designed to be portable and compact, making it perfect for small rooms, offices, kitchens, and living rooms. It requires no installation, windows, or drainage holes, unlike traditional air conditioners that can be noisy and expensive. You just have to plug it in, and you're good to go. Its built-in handle on the back end, compact size allow you to move the tower fan from room to room effortlessly. Maintenance: this cooling fan is easy to maintain, thanks to its small 0.8-gallon tank that allows you to easily fill and change water. The removable water tank is also easy to clean at any time, making maintenance much easier. Attention! However, there are a few things to keep in mind when using this cooling fan. Firstly, it's not engineered to be used in high humidity areas because it doesn't dehumidify the environment, only making it more humid. Secondly, due to its small size, this fan has a smaller cooling area and is suitable for small rooms and close use only. Overall, the AKIRES Oscillating Tower Fan is a great investment for anyone who wants a portable and efficient cooling fan. With its 3 modes, 3 speeds, 12-hour timer, and 0.8-gallon water tank, this cooling fan is perfect for indoor use. Plus, its portable and compact design makes it easy to move from room to room. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to click on the link in the description to purchase this amazing product and get a 25% discount, free Prime delivery, and free returns. You can also check it, the link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next